Today topic is nursing care plan on anemia. In these first it come to first is identification data. Name of patient Mr. Ravi Kumar, age 45 year, gender male, medical status anemia, occupation shopkeeper, education status 12, monthly income 12,000, mother tongue Hindi, religion Hindu, nationality Indian, address Ambala Kent, date of admission 24 June 2016, medical diagnosis weakness, low HB in blood, data admission 18/7/19. Name of hospital Mercy Hospital Yamuna ward emergency bed number 4, data collection 26/8. Individual health history, serial number, major complaint, duration, previous and opposite. Weakness, headache, nausea, duration, weakness from last 15 days, previous treatment, no previous treatment, patient visit on OPD room 27 July 2019. Present medical history, patient is suffering from anemia. Past medical history, there is no past medical history of Ravi Kumar. Present surgical history, there is no present surgical history of Mr. Ravi. Past surgical history, there is no past surgical history of Mr. Ravi Kumar. Family history, name of the family member Mr. Suresh, Mr. Kavita, Mr. Ravi, Mr. Geeta, Rohit, Sham, Sunit. Relation with the patient, father, mother, self, wife, son. Suresh, father, gender male, education illiterate, married, occupation farmer, healthy. Miss Kavita, mother, female, illiterate, married, housewife, healthy. Ravi, self, male, 12th pass, married, private job, unhealthy. Mr. Gobbar, wife, female, 10th pass, married, housewife, healthy. Rohit, son, male, student, unmarried, student, healthy. Sham, son, male, student, unmarried, healthy. Sumi, son, male, student, unmarried, healthy. This is family tree, father, mother, self, wife, 3 sons. Economic status, total income of family is 1,44,000, per capita income is 20,000. Name of place Ambala Kent, type of house well concerned, ventilation proper, toilet facility proper, medical facility is good, family relation satisfactory, marital status satisfactory, occupation employed, and occupation hazard no. Personal history, habit smoking, alcohol, drug addicted, physical activity jogging. Investigation, patient value normal value, remark HB 5 mgm 12 to 6 TL low, TLC monocyte 8,490 abnormal, DLC 55 50/70 normal, monocyte 1% to 1/4 normal, blood sugar 140 mgdl 40 to 150 mgdl normal. Physical examination, name Mr. Ravi Kumar, age 45, gender male and height 5'10", weight 75 kg, vital sign temperature, pulse, blood pressure, respiration, date, patient value normal value, date 25/6/19, patient value 99, normal value 98, patient heartbeat 90, normal value 72, blood pressure 80. 26/6/1999, temperature normal 98, patient value 88, beat, blood pressure 140, 71, 20/60 normal, patient value 18, normal, respiratory. Diet vegetarian, no. Non-vegetarian, yes. Allergy of any food item, no. Number of meal per day 4 chapati, 3 time tea and 2 time milk. Sleep and rest pattern, time of sleep 9:30 p.m, duration of sleep 8 hours, any sleep disturbance, no. Activity of daily, history, taking care of himself, yes. Need assistant, no. Any problem, no. Bowel normal, bladder normal, and hygiene properly. Like and dislike watching WWE. Medication, name of drug Retrac, dose 5 ml, route IV, action antacid, nausea, vomiting. Nursing responsibility, administer medication at proper time. PSC, Dose 500 ml orally antibiotic drowsiness to check the sign of adverse effect. Mitrozole 2 mg antibiotic stomach headache. Cetax 1 mg dose IM antibiotic nausea vomiting administering during with the plenty water. Perfection 2200 mg dose IV antibiotic rash ventricardia cap Cipox 2 mg orally antibiotic cramps. Role of nurse: assess the vital sign of the patient, to present the dignity of client, to provide comfortable position to patient, to provide immunization against disease, to ask about any allergy to medication or food, to provide a safe conducting environment, to motivate client to reach their goal, to assist the patient for develop ground IPR, administer the medication to patient. General appearance: level of consciousness activity dull, journal grooming thin, facial expression clean, body language no contact, nourishment undernourishment gained, unsteady, health shape brown, face thin, hair fine, condition of scalp clean, facial puffin, swelling gums red, tongue thin, mucosa pharynx thin swelling. Neck appearance: long neck, thyroid, respiratory system, respiratory rate, tachycardia, chest examination, asthmatic, respiratory pattern normal, cardiovascular examination, blood pressure 110 to mg, pulse rate 10 beat per minute, ear fine, smell, Kerman ear wax, hear aid, no, nose, skin and shape, long, nasal spectre, David, nose, mucosa, oral cavity examination, lips, color, pink, shape, thin, condition, soft, teeth, dental caries white, dental hygiene absent, breath odor bad, incumbatory system, skin color brown, trigonometry, elastic, skin temperature cool, moisture, skin texture moist, dry skin, integrity smooth, eyes, eyebrow black. Color black, shape straight, eyelashes long, eyelid scar, shape and appearance round, abdomen examination, skin shiny, shape of abdomen, mucosa of the skeleton examination, joint redness, range of motion, extremity, vertebral column, geometry and reticular examination. Activity intolerance: related to intolerance between oxygen supply and demand. Activity intolerance related to intolerance between the oxygen supply and demand as evidenced by patient inability to perform his activity. Altered nutritional status: less than body weight. Recommend related to inability for digest the food as evidenced by monitoring body weight. Ineffective tissue perfusion related to lack of food to supply is evidenced by monitoring pulse oximetry. Yellowish discoloration of the skin or to lack evidence by physical examination. Assessment, nursing, diagnose, planning, goal, rationing, implementation, evaluation, subjective data. Patient verbalizes least that we left tired and weak always. Objective data on observation: it is observed that patient is weak, tired, and evidence by weight loss and poor muscle tone. Altered nutrition status as evidenced by inability to digest food and by monitoring body weight. Assess the patient condition, encourage the patient participation with restoring food intake, decrease the etiological factor and reduce nutrition intake, provide proper nutrition diet to patient and combine sleep during meal time. Goal: to maintain the proper nutrition status of the patient. Rational: to determine the level of the care, to encourage patient to avoid peer food intake. It help to improve food. It make the patient comfortable and maintain balanced nutritional condition of the patient. Observe patient is encouraged participation in food intake. Balanced diet and companionship is provided to the patient. Implementation condition: the patient assess, patient is encouraged participating, increase food intolerance. Balanced diet and composition is provided to the patient. Evaluation: Nutrition status of the patient is maintained as evidenced by intake and output chart. Body build. Assessment subjective data. Patient feel difficulty in breathing and cook suffocating. Objective data on assignating in it. Assert that patient feel difficulty in breathing as evidence by vital infected tissue perfusion related to lack of the supply evidence by monitoring. Goal maintenance of the proper O2 tissue perfusion. Administer IV fluid. Administration sulfide oxygen blood component therapy. Planning monitor vital sign of the patient. Reduce the technique of suckle as deep breathing exercises to maintain body balance. Normal value indicating BCT Mary also level increased O2 supply. Rational to assess the condition of the patient to enhance the breathing proper O2 supply, IV fluid supplement, O2 administration. Vital sign of the patient are monitored. Deep breathing exercise performed by the patient. BCT therapy are administered to the patient. Ineffective tissue perfusion related to the lack of O2 impaired as evidenced by verbal and pulse oximetry of the patient. Nurse's note. They tie vital sign assessed, time medication, urine stool, diet, evaluation. Assessment subjective data. Patient verbalized that he has felt anorexia, palpitation, insomnia, and on observation, patient look weak and pale, confused, active intolerance related to the between O2 supply and as evidenced by patient ability to perform his activity. Goal decreased activity intolerance, balancing the oxygen. Planning assess the patient condition, suggests the patient to change the position slowly, provide comfort once with the activity and imbution and necessary implement the energy saving technique, monitor the vital sign. Rational influence choice of implementation to reduce dizziness and feel comfortable for the self-esteem enhancing when they for conserving the patient and to check the supply of O2 tissue. Influence choices of intervention to reduce dizziness and feel comfort for the self-esteem enhancing when she does activity himself for conserving every patient and preventing to check the supply of O2 tissue. Implementation patient condition assess patient position has been charged after interval of time system the provide to the patient having active self evaluation. I Abhishek Saini. I was posted in emergency ward in Masiho Vimnanagar under the self-supervision of our colleague Avdeep. I was assigned to patient Mr. Ravi Kumar who were suffering from the anemia. During my posting, I have learned about the care provided to anemia patient. My patient Mr. Ravi is admitted emergency on 25 June 2018. Is suffering from the pneumonia anemia with the chief complaint of headache, nausea and weakness. Patient condition is improved. Patient get weakness, headache and now able to treat the patient and suffering from anemia. Bibliography books of Javed and Kumar Devinder. Textbook medical surgical nursing page number 279 286. Internet or Wikipedia free encyclopedia. Oh, this is how you can make nursing care plan on anemia. Hope you get information from this video. If you get information from this video, like the video, comment the video, subscribe my channel for more interesting video. Thank you for watching my video.